How to check your age on TikTok. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the secret way on how to check your age on TikTok, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to go into my TikTok app. Perfectly, now when I'm on my TikTok app, then what I need to do first is to go into my profile. So basically, if you want to see your age on TikTok or the age that you choose when you created your TikTok account, then the way that you can do so is to firstly click on the three lines in the top right corner. Perfectly. Now you need to click where it says Settings and Privacy. Great. So there is unfortunately no one button to click to see your age on TikTok right now, but there is another way to actually see your age on TikTok anyway. And what you need to do first is to click where it says Privacy. And in here, you will need to basically just scroll down a little bit, then click where it says Download your data. And great, now scroll down and you need to choose the TXT file and not the other one. So choose TXT. And what you need to do now is to click where it says Request Data. Great, as you can see, my data request basically has now been sent to TikTok, and it will take about 1 or 2 business days for you to get that data. Sometimes it can actually be much faster than that, and sometimes it can take a little bit longer, unfortunately, but just wait and TikTok will send you your data, and in that data report you will actually be able to see the age of your TikTok account. So basically, the birthday that you wrote on your TikTok account when you created it, you will be able to see that in your data file that they will send to you. So this is exactly how to check your age on TikTok. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and please subscribe to my channel because I'm actually doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.